Exercise 14.2, question number 5. Given AB of length 7.3 centimeter and CD 3.4 centimeters. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the lengths of AB and CD. Verify by the measurement. Okay. Let's start with that. First of all of you draw AB 7.3 centimeters. AB 7.3 centimeter. Draw a line with the help of a ruler, children. Draw AB line 7.3 centimeters. centimeter. AB is equal to 7.3 centimeter. Draw a line with the help of a ruler. Sunny, start drawing it. 7.3 centimeter line. Start drawing, everybody. Take a scale in your hand and start drawing it. Yes, Jen, Avni Agarwal. Yes, this is AB line, right, Charvi? Now all of you draw CD line, 3.4 centimeter line. And write down the first step. Given AB is equal to 7.3 centimeter and CD 3.4 centimeters. Draw these two lines with the help of ruler. 3.4 centimeter and 7.3 centimeter line. Anya, Harsh, Bhuvi, open your camera fast. Draw a line of 7.3 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter in your notebook. AB and CD. With the help of ruler, draw it. Joel, start drawing it. Yes, right, Charvi. Absolutely correct. Yes, Jen, adjust your camera, beta. Have you drawn the line, Sunny? Show me your notebook. Sunny. Sunny, are you listening? I said, show me your notebook where you are drawing the lines. Yes, Tanish, that's right. Please mention 7.3 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter also. Draw these lines. Rian, have you done? Show me your line segments on your notebook. Draw it then. Take out your scale and start drawing the lines. Yes, right, Tanish. Now, adjust your compass. Adjust your compass with the length of CD. Adjust your compass with the length of CD. Check your compass. And on A point, just put an arc. On A point, there is a line AB now. On that point, first of all, measure CD with the help of compass. Put your pointer on A point. Put your needle on A point and cut an arc. Do it, children. Measure CD with the help of compass. All of you measure CD with the help of compass. Measure it. CD. Measure CD with the compass. Put your compass on CD line. Measure it with the help of compass. Put your needle on A point and cut the arc. Put your needle on A point and cut the arc. Do it, children. Done? But have you done the arc? Sorry. Draw another line L. Draw another line L without any measurement. And mark X point over there. Draw another line L without any measurement. Draw L line without any measurement. Start doing it, beta. Now put your point needle on X point. Measure PB. You have to measure PB. This PB arc, you have to measure it. Measure this PB line. With the help of compass, measure PB. Put your pointer on X point and cut an arc. And mark it as Y. Mark it as Y. Suhan, you also write it down, all the steps. As you can see, the total line AB is of 7.3 centimeter and you have subtracted 3.4 centimeter from there. You have cut it there. So 3.9 centimeter. This XY line is of 3.9 centimeter, which you have drawn. Got it? I'm explaining you once more. Just see to it carefully. First, you have drawn AB and CD line 7.3 centimeter and 3.4 centimeters. Then you have measured CD and you have cut an arc on A. You have put your pointer on A point and you have cut an arc and marked it as P. Okay. Now, in the next step, you have drawn a line L without any measurement and you have marked the point X on it. Now you have measured PB. Measure PB with the help of compass. Measure PB with the help of compass and put your needle on X point and cut an arc. And mark it as Y. This way. So this is of 3.9 centimeter. And in the question they are asking only this much. XY should be the difference between AB and CD. That means whatever the difference between AB and CD, we have to draw an arc of that. That is 3.9 centimeters. This arc XY is of 3.9 centimeters. Got it, children? Exercise 14.3, question number 1. We'll draw a line PQ of any measurement. Then we'll adjust the compass and measure PQ. Adjust your compass and measure PQ with the help of compass. All of you measure compass. Measure PQ line, all of you. With the help of compass, measure PQ with the help of compass. Do it, children. Measure with the help of compass. Now draw another line L without any measurement. Draw another line L without any measurement and mark a point A on it. And mark a point A on it. Done, children? First of all, draw a line L and mark point A on it. Then put your pointer on A point and cut the arc and mark it as B. Put your pointer on A point and cut the arc and mark it as B. Do it, children. Place the pointer on A point and Measure PQ and cut the arc which you have drawn the line PQ. Put your pointer on A point and cut the arc and mark it as B point. Rayan Kumar, open your camera. Now AB will be the copy of PQ. In this way you will be making the copy. You will be writing AB is the copy of PQ. Given some length line segment AB whose length you don't know, construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice of AB. So first of all, we'll be drawing AB line. Okay, all of you make a AB line and please make a small line. Here I've drawn the bigger line, but try to make a smaller line because we have to do the twice of it. Okay, twice means you have to do the doubling of it. So draw a line AB, all of you, of any measurement. Draw a line AB of any measurement. Draw it, children. Any measurement line AB. Adjust your compass and measure AB. Adjust your compass and measure AB with the help of compass. Adjust your compass according to AB. Take your compass in your hand, Rayan, Joel, and measure it. Then again draw a line L and mark point P on it. Take a ruler in your hand, draw any measurement line and mark it as L and mark point P on it. Draw a line L and mark P point on it. Any measurement line you can draw. L line and mark P point on it. Okay. Now you have already measured AB. Cut an arc. Put your needle on a P point and cut an arc and mark it as X. Put your needle on P point and mark an arc and name that point as X point. Children, do it fast. Joel, what are you doing? Mark it as X point. Again, with the same measurement, do not change the compass. Put your needle again on X point. You will be putting your needle on X point and cut one more arc with the same measurement. You have drawn one arc. You have put your needle on P point and you have cut an arc and mark it as X. Now you will be putting your needle on X point. Put your needle on X point and cut one more arc without changing your compass. And mark it as Q point. Mark it as Q point. PQ is the line segment, required line segment. And at the last you will be writing PQ is equal to 2 of AB, 2AB. PQ is equal to 2AB. Done, children?